Alright guys, Model Rocks 321 here. Welcome back to another rocket of the day. This is another Estes rocket from the 1980s. This is the Estes Marauder. I may say this often, but this is another favorite of mine from that time period. I just love the design of this. They actually reissued a rocket that was the Reflex or something like that. It was a bigger rocket, I think in their Pro Series a few years ago. If I'm not mistaken, it had a similar look. The fins were different. But this is the vintage one. This is an older one. This is actually my second one because I had one when I was really young and kind of got all ruined and destroyed, and it's long gone. But this one is a rebuild of mine, or it's from the kit, from the original kit I got years ago off eBay, and I built it all, you know, as the instructions showed. Had to mask off your red, your white, and then you did a black cone. This is actually a payload section if you don't glue the cone, but I did glue the cone. Yeah, I glued the cone. So it's really nice. It turned out really well. All gloss paint, clear coated. Got that Marauder decal right there. 18mm engines. It had a little crash. If you see a video from a while ago, parachute got stuck or something. It was just the weirdest thing. Parachute was packed perfectly. I don't know, got a tangle. That happens in this. And the fin got kind of loose, but I got all that fixed up since. You notice it's vintage because of the flat engine hook. Right now, the engine hooks have the little extra piece for your finger. You could just lift it up easier. But yeah, got the little standoffs there for your launch lug because of this payload section. You got to clear this section right here. And I also like how they did these little mock windows on this right here. And I think I had to paint one. Did I have to paint one? Yeah, I think I got some silver testers and had to paint one because the decal got messed up. But other than that, this is another favorite of mine. 12-inch parachute, which I always thought was just a little too small, so I always go with the 18-inch parachute in this one. This is a 20-inch rocket, so I always go with the 18-inch parachute. This so it can come down. These fins are sticking out, and you got to really build these up. Get fillets in there, get fillets in there really nice, so they don't break, which did happen on this one. But other than that, this is a great classic Estes rocket. If you can find one of these and you see one at a good price, I highly recommend getting one. This has a nice look to it. This is the Estes Marauder, and this is the rocket of the day. Stay tuned. Watch the video that's attached to the end of this video. And I want to say, subscribe to the channel. Use the Estes discount code. Shop EstesRockets.com. Go to the website and put in IN_321 and get yourself a discount. Also, check my links below. Check the Model Rocks 321 Weebly website. Got some stuff in the shop you guys can support. There's a Cash App there if you want to support that. Anything you'd like to support. Do your thing. Other than that, drop a comment, hit the thumb up button, and ring the bell notification so when the new videos come out, you will see them first. Model Rocks 321, and we are out.